family, it's your girl Carrie on it again, and I'm super excited to be here with you one more time. Guys, take a look at my skin. Isn't it really popping? This is summer. You have the right to glow, and you have the right to show off your beautiful skin out there. So why not take a moment and join our body scrub challenge? You who's watching me right now, you should join our body scrub challenge because we're almost moving towards the end. All right guys, so aside of it, so today I just want to come up with something really special and super amazing, which is going to cool off your skin. And trust me, it's super hot. When I say it's really hot, it's really hot. So I was like trying something out for some days now, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna share this out with you just so you can as well try it out. So it's a natural facial mask pack, which is actually gonna revitalize that skin and make you feel moisturized, and it's also gonna treat dark spots. Take a look guys, this is definitely no makeup skin, and guys, you can't imagine how amazing it is to pamper that skin. If you do not take care of your skin, trust me, it's gonna wear out and you're gonna be looking 40 when you're just 20. So guys, please, it's an order. You must take care of that skin. All right guys, without taking so much of your time, let's hop in and see the magic. All right, stay tuned. One more thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you still waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that button that says subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and make sure you try all these hacks back at home because we do upload videos 2 to 3 times a week. So guys, be sure to check them out and make sure you hop into this beautiful family. All right guys, stay tuned. So fam, I have just 2 ingredients to show you, but trust me, these 2 ingredients are super magical for your skin. So the first is gonna be our dragon fruits. Yes, this is our dragon fruit. So I'm gonna be cutting this dragon fruit. I'm gonna scoop a little bit just so I don't waste it. Remember, dragon fruit is also very healthy for your skin and your body. In fact, you can consume it anyhow. I love the colors of dragon fruit. So we will proceed as I go ahead to show you. So remember, this could be eaten. So I super love dragon fruit so much because it's so beneficial to the skin. So I'm gonna be using a little, not so much, you can see. So hi baby. So look at the fish. Okay. So this is it. I would love to scoop. I would love to like press it on. You can see what I'm doing.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
It's for you.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. Mommy, I eat one.
Oh, wait. Just hold on.
Mommy, let's take a video.
So guys, this is how it looks like, okay? So this is it. So guys, this is it. So after mashing this out, I will add our second ingredient. Hey, who's ready? Who can guess? Okay, so our next ingredient. So this is the next ingredient that I'm gonna be including in here. Yeah. So our next ingredient is gonna be mulberry powder. Mulberry powder is super great for your skin. It's gonna wipe off those dark spots. It's also gonna leave your skin ageless. It's gonna fight antioxidants, just like a dragon fruit as well. So it's really, really a balm for your face. And also you can include it in your kids' body lotion. That would be great. So I'm gonna add half tablespoon, sorry, of mulberry powder. Yes. So guys, it's in here. Everything is here. So you can see. Shh, I'm shooting a video. Don't call Shawty now. So guys, you can see. Now I'm trying to stir, making sure everything. So you see, mulberry gives it that special color. Oh, it's amazing. So guys, allow this to set up for about 15 to 20 minutes, as long as you want to, so you can get it sink into your pores. Okay, all right guys, until then, see you soon. All right guys, so it's ready and it's set to wash, and let me wash it off and see you then. So guys, I'm back. So you can see my face is still wet. So it's advisable to use a tissue paper to clean up or dry up your face. So right now I'm gonna go with our facial serum. It's made of salicylic acid. Okay, so if you have been watching me for a very long time now, you will understand that this is virtually one of my best. And guys, it's almost done. See, it's almost done because I'm obsessed with this. You can't imagine. I'm super obsessed with this. Okay guys, okay, here we go. So that everybody, so you can see, yay. So guys, all right guys, as you can see, I let this sink dip into my pores, and trust me, we're good to go. All right guys, if you've been watching this video from the beginning till now, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. And guys, what more of you? Thanks so much for always patronizing. For my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much, and what more of you? All right guys, for my love to yours, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do make sure you follow me on Instagram, WhatsApp, and also on my TikTok and Facebook. All right guys, for my love to yours, I say bye.